In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you have any problem with the voice message, this video is going to help you a lot. So just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager, go to the apps here, scroll down until you find WhatsApp between all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on WhatsApp like this. Now here on this page you will find all the app informations. All what you have to do here is just click on this option here, it's called force stop. After you click on it, now go down to the app details, this option right here, and it will take you directly to the Google Play. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is just make sure that you have the new version of WhatsApp. If you don't have it, then you have to click here on update. After that, restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the end.